Changing a CRM is never easy, but in this video, I'll show you why it might be worth it. Changing your CRM is a great opportunity for the dealership to evaluate their processes. It's also a great sign that your dealership is willing to invest in the success of your salespeople. It also helps making sure that everybody is on the same page. It also allows managers to focus on training, both on CRM and sales processes. A new tool also brings new functionality, which often increases efficiency. It's also a great time to enforce new rules. Once you decide to make the change, here are some tips that will help you to maximize your success. First, upper management needs to be involved. Salespeople need to know that this is a tool that they have to use and that there's a consequence if they don't use it. You need to dedicate time for your salespeople and your management to learn how to use the tool. During the CRM install, they have to attend the training. No stepping out to make calls. Even after the install, you have to continue CRM training. It's important to maybe even focus on one part each week that allows your dealership to come together to learn to maximize the tool. It's super important that all activity and every up gets put into the CRM. Every time an up doesn't get put into the CRM, it affects tracking, reporting, and accountability. Replace the stock email templates that came with the CRM with your own. They have your own branding, they have your own message. The last thing you want to do is be sending out the same email template that your competitor who's also using the CRM is using. Make sure that you turn on as much stuff as you can. The CRM should be helping you, should be automating and making things easier for you. Make sure you're aware of all of the add-ons that are in your CRM, that you're using them and that you're getting value out of them. Another important tip for CRM success is to make sure you elect a CRM power user. This is somebody who is learning, understands the tool, maybe has used the tool before at another store, that can help with the store's support and administration to make sure that you're using the tool the way that it should be using. Identify a CRM power user right away. Make sure that this person has the tools and the training to be successful. They're going to be doing a lot of things in regards to admin and training people on CRM. Invest in that. Give them the opportunity to step up if you find a power user who really understands the tool and sees the value to get the most out of that tool. And lastly, make sure that you evaluate your CRM every 6 months. Make sure that the reason that you signed up for a new CRM, that it's actually getting done. The last thing you want to do is to fall back into old processes. So use this opportunity with a new CRM to implement new strategies, new process, and new accountability. If you'd like a free CRM audit, reach out to us. We'd love to help. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll catch you on the next one.